Now, let me show you how we can insert a line in Excel on the iPhone. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So I'm going to get inside of the Excel, right, as usual. And you can see you can choose any cell that you want and you can type stuff into it. So you have it selected and click on the enter text at the bottom, right? You can type in whatever you want. Right, so I'm just going to go and type in an example, but the point is that we want to move line below, and we have some buttons like to move between the cells, and you have the ability to click on enter, but it moves you to the cell below. So if you actually want to insert a line in there, you have to click on this place next to the text field where I'm typing stuff and actually hold it down with your finger right there. So as you can see, sometimes it does work when I tap on it and more options appear, but if not, just select the word like this and you basically want to find the menu which shows above it, right? So we have the regular things like select, copy, and cut, but you can expand it and you should find the new line right there. And if you click on new line, it kind of like moves me below. So now I have two lines in there and I can type stuff as I like, and you can see I have the two lines as such. I don't know, sometimes it also worked in a sense that I could tap on the thing like this, right? And if it doesn't work, I can kind of like only select one thing and click on expand like this and choose the new line right there. So yeah, that's how you can basically do it. I believe it should work a little bit better if I'm being honest, but that's just how it is and that's what we can really do about it. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.